Okay, so when I graph this parabola, so I'll click on the click to enlarge and then choose which parabola I'm working with, right? So I know this one opens, so basically it's either opens up or down, that would be this one, even though the picture just says up, or it opens left, right. So I would choose this one if that's the case, even though it's only showing that it's opening to the right, but you can make it open left, okay? So I know this one, since it's an x squared, is gonna be this guy, and it's gonna open up. And I just need, so you see that there's 2 points on it, right? So what I need to do is just find 2 points on the parabola. So I know that 0, 0 is 1 point. And it kind of helps me out up here. The tells me the values. So there's my 0, 0. And then when I move it, it makes a parabola, right? So I just need to find one other point. So the focus won't be on there, right? Because the focus isn't on the parabola. It's kind of in the parabola. So I need to do a little math and plug in a value for x to find y. Okay, so, or I guess you could plug in y and find x. For example, if y would be, so the function is x squared equals 20y, right? So you need to work with that in a way to get another point that's graphable, right? For example, if I let y be 1, then x is going to be the square root of 20. That's not very helpful. If I let y be 2, x is going to be the square root of 40. Also not very helpful. 3, 4, 5. How about y be 5? If I let y be 5, 20 times 5 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10 or negative 10. So I figured out that 5, and you do have to play around with that a little bit. So 5, 10 should be a point, and 5, negative 10 as well. And then I click on that. So those are my 2 points. So yeah, that second point isn't, they're not asking you to find a second point in the first part of the problem, but you still have to kind of figure it out because all these tools will require you to graph 2 points. So I hope that helps.